In this video, we will learn how to use some simple function in Excel that we are summing this total. First of all, click equal. After that, insert your function. If you know the function, so write it like here, sum, and bracket argument. What's the argument? We are saying these four. Close, enter. We got the sum for this cell, and at the other side we got the text also, because earlier we have some formula copied above that. That's why. Next, for example, we don't know about summation. We don't know how to sum it. First, we activate the cell where we want sum. Then go to insert function, and insert function we are searching for sum. Okay, here is the sum. We call the sum OK. It gives us the option from where to where you are going to do your job. Here if you see K8, K11, K8 and K11, automatically it's doing a job for you. If it was incorrect, then you can edit it. So we say it OK, and Excel do the rest of the job. That was the simple function in Microsoft Excel we applied. If you look at the sum function, here is a drop down. You see here the arrow. Click on this arrow, and it's showing some more commands, some more functions. What they show, it shows some function we usually use, like average, count number, max, minimum. The final one is more function. So let's try one more function from here. We call it average. See, as we enter average, Excel showed the reference that do you want to take the average of these, because we had activated the cell below these things. Excel know what are you going to do. If it's incorrect, then you can change it. Press enter, and here is your average. Okay, that was about the common formulas. If you are going to apply any function but you don't know where to find what's that the name will be that for that, you come to formula tab and search it here. Every tab with many functions, and here if you can find in this more functions here. That was all about functions and formulas, and join us in the next for using status bar for calculation.